So the M1010 came with a blue box that sat right here, and it controlled the charging system. So we have a front battery and a rear battery, and we have a lower alternator and an upper alternator. The original had two 24-volt alternators, and one in both places. The bottom one charged across both batteries from the negative of the bottom of the front battery to the positive of the rear battery for 24 volts. The upper battery, or the upper alternator, charged either the front battery or both batteries for a total of 24 volts and 200 amp capacity. The problem with that box is it stopped working properly, and so you wouldn't get an appropriate charge balance between the two batteries. You'd charge these and this battery would start to drain. So what that ends up doing is people have all kinds of, that's why this charger is here. It's just a trickle charger, and there's actually a plug down here somewhere. So what we do in the M1010 world is we do what's called the Plan B, where we install a 12 volt upper alternator and then wire it accordingly to just charge across the front battery. And in this case, it's actually going to the negative of the second battery, but it's charging across here effectively. And what that does is that eliminates the need for the box altogether. You still have the 24 volt that charges across the two batteries, and you have the upper alternator that charges across the front battery. So all of your 12 volt loads come off of this battery, and that's all your lighting, all of your interior stuff, all of your basic Chevy square body stuff. And then the 24 supports your glow plug circuit and your starter, and that's it. So the M1010 had the 24 volt needs for the ambulance body, and this one obviously no longer has that because it's gutted.